Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and wow, what a start to the new trading week here on Wall Street. Stocks seeing a historic dive, and it's now time to unwind amid the frenzy. So I'm here at the modernwallstreet.com studio, and you know exactly what time it is, because it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. Brokers, they're trying to shut down their orders, and it's time for a much needed drink. So let's go lift that glass and take a sip, because it's happy hour here in New York City. Talk about a Manic Monday. Shout out to the Bengals. U.S. stocks plummeting to start the week amid continued fears of slowing growth in China spilling over internationally. Believe it or not, mark your calendar, because today, August 24, 2015, historic. The Dow Jones falling as much as 1,089 points. At midday, the index paired losses to trade about 110 points lower, therefore marking the Dow Jones' biggest intraday swing ever. Now, during the first 90 minutes of trade, the index traveling more than 3,000 points in down and up moves. That's incredible. Also making history, trading in stocks and exchange-traded funds paused more than 1,200 times today. This according to Dow Jones, citing exchanges. Such pauses total single digits on a normal day, and an increase or decline of 5% or more triggers a 5-minute pause in overall trade. Meanwhile, overseas, European stocks plunging, while the Shanghai Composite in China dropping 8.5%, its greatest one-day drop since 2007. And with no major economic data or earnings releases due out today, the U.S. dollar down more than 1.5%, crude oil futures down $2.21, that's nearly 5.5% for the session, and gold futures down $6.10 at 1153.60 a troy ounce. Then you have yourself quite the interesting, historic, and yes, negative session where about 10 stocks have declined for every one advancer over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this very negative and historic trading session. And there's not much happening on the earnings front or the corporate front. Very empty docket for market movers. For corporate news, check out the earlier report with Modern Wall Street's own Lelda Smeets. And now it's time to end on sports. The Mets, they shine this weekend in the Rocky Mountains. Congrats to Team CLG in North America. Yeah, the video game League of Legends things, I was there. And then I also managed to run home to watch Brock Lesnar versus The Undertaker. And I will say this, the Beast was not only just in Brooklyn, but he was also the best. And now it's time to get out of here. And hopefully stocks will rebound tomorrow. And until the AM from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney saying, see you in the morning.